Legionella is the name given to a genus of bacteria that cause several illnesses. The best known and most serious of which is Legionnaires Disease. Most Legionella infections come from the Legionella Pneumophila bacteria, which causes pneumonia-like illness. Legionnaires disease is itself a type of pneumonia. Typical symptoms of Legionnaires disease include chills, fevers, headaches, dry cough, difficulty breathing, muscle pains and diarrhea. Contracting the Legionella bacteria may cause several serious symptoms. At worst, the disease can be fatal. Legionella is an issue in workplaces because, as it is commonly found in fresh water, infections can start from many sources in and around workplaces, such as water systems, hot water tanks, and air conditioners. Legionella is not usually transmitted between people or by drinking contaminated water, but it is commonly spread through inhaling water droplets in the air. It is therefore extremely easy for anyone in the vicinity of a contaminated water source to be affected. A person doesn't have to be in close proximity to an infection source either. Legionella bacteria has been found to be able to travel a significant distance from the location it originated. There are several conditions that can exist in water systems that will represent a risk factor for Legionella.